amabili ke kweloto ebahamba ke ndoda amadoda ebase ke befika laphana ke ku last 8 ebathathana ke neqembu lale emfolo iSoweto Academy ebase ke beyiqumba ke phansi laphana ke ngamagoli amabili eqandeni kanti ke bangibuye ke la kwesokhohlo ke isandla eqenjini ke lale simnandi siyashisa bavela lapha ku group H endaweni ke lapha yesibili position 2 bena laphana ke u7 points bangene laphana ke ngayo ke imbobo yenalithi base ke befika la behlangana ke neqembu leSoweto All Stars indoda amadoda kuyena ke ulast 16 laphana ke behlangana namaZambia badlala ke idraw la ka 0-0 yasiguqa ke laphana ke iSoweto All Stars ngo 5-3 sebekahlela ama penalty base ke bendlula ke beza njalo bafika ke lapha kuyena ke ulast 8
and then pega wena ukuthi view yakho
uqalile ke la umdlalo ke wemambazo ke ndoda amadoda sibonge ke la ukuthi zonke izinto seyambeke zaqonda ke la ubheka ke la umdlalo isigamu ke sokuqala ke nqala somdlalo first semi-final ubona ke la ngihlangana ke phezulu iqembu lesimnandi siyashiza lithathana ke la neqembu lawo ke amaBrazos ukhumbule ke la amaqembu ke amabili asehambela ukhalo ke oluthe kakhulu ubona ke esefika la ngona ke ilast 4 ubheka ke la iqembu lamaBrazos ivela laphana ke ku group F laphuma ke no 10 points kanti ke isimnandi siyashisa bavela ke lapha ku group H baphuma ke ku position 2 laphana ke nake u7 points omuhle ke nje umdlalo kuyisona ke isuphe ke sokuqala ke bakwethu uthi ke laphana ke umnumzane ke Matthew azidlale ke madoda seliyavinjwa ke ibhola ke lengasemuva elivinjwa yena ke laphana ke Pablo eliphumela ngaphandle ke throw in yena ke la uGianni uthi ke woza ke sidlale ngalo Kante elithe ke ibhola kodwa ke lasethatha ke ibhola eliphumela ngaphandle ke kuzodaleka yona ke laphana ke i-goal kick uthi ke alithathe ke la Osmart Boy ibhola elihlulisele ke laphana ke esandleni ke sokunene uthi ke woza ke sidlale elithe ke ibhola abafuna ke CR7 uyabheka ke laphana ke Cristiano Ronaldo uyamgqoka ke la strong man uthi ayikhona ke CR angeke ke uze ubuye ke la kimi elase ke lithathwa ke ibhola ke laphana ke uyena ke ufana ke uSgabi omusha ke uSgabi ke namhla nje efika ke la kuyona ke semi-finals elase ke lithathwa ke ibhola ke pheshane konhla bathi ke bafuna ke laphana ke badlale laphana ke strong man 18 yard era bafuna ke laphana ayikhona ke kodwa ke base behlokoloza ke ibhola ngokukhulu ke ukushesha ke amaBrazos balikale ke phansi ke ibhola uyakhuza ke la uMatthew uthi ke ayikhona ke bafana asiqale ke phansi kwenzeke iphutha ke la laphana ke 18 yard area yalo ke iqembu lamaBrazos uhleli ke phansi ke lo bazomnika ke la usizo ke lokuqala ke ufana ke uMsotho uyaphakama ke la ethi ke ayikhona angithotobe ke bese siyakhona ke la lizothathwa ke ibhola ke manje bese liqala ke phansi isigamu ke sokuqala ke somdlalo ngaphansi ke kwemzuzu emithathu enothi lapha ke simnandi siyashisa enothi lapha ke amabranzozo iyalithatha ke ibhola ke incenga ke lapha ke simnandi siyashisa elithe ke ibhola laseke lapha kude ke namapari ibhola lakhe ke lapha ke uninja uyabona ke hlenza ndoda amadoda isophe-ke sokuqala ndoda amadoda ngibona ke la iqembu lamabrazonzo lihlangana-ke neqembu lesimnandi-ke siyashisa ngaphansi ke la kwemzuzwana engatheni singakaboni lutho-ke ndoda amadoda kusewunothi-ke lapha angazi-ke ukuthi kuphi-ke la singakulindela-ke wena hleza.
Well, for me, Mshengu, at this point in time, I'm looking at the battle, which is going to be most definitely happening in the middle of the park, whilst the fullbacks, in the sense of making sure that they can be able to then maneuver something of a different vector in terms of offensive play and moving the ball with the right type of direction. Dan Craig, we know what he's capable of out on this right-hand flank side. He's full of trajectory, so the fullback of Amabrazoso will definitely be smart in the sense of making sure that he can maneuver.
Ekisheke eliteke ibhola-ke uselibamba kalula-ke laphana-ke umgweba uthi-ke umgweba wozawena-ke Chisboy-ke sidlale badlala-ke phakathi bafuna-ke Kyle Walker laseke livinjwa-ke ibhola liphumela ngaphandle-ke kudaleka-ke throw-in enothi laphana-ke simnandi siyashisa note laphana-ke amabrazozo ebheka-ke Gianni ufuna-ke laphana-ke Kyle Walker waseshintsha-ke la uthi-ke woze-ke sidlale-ke ngalo kante laseke lithathwa-ke ibhola-ke Gianni uyakhuza-ke la unompempe uthi ayikhona-ke bafana uthi ayikhona-ke madoda uthi ayikhona-ke insizwa ayithumi kanjalo-ke mayizosuka uyashelela Mshengu uyashelela basho njalo-ke abantu begcwele inkundla bethi-ke shelela Mshengu sikhona-ke sikulalele ndoda amadoda bheka-ke la Kyle Walker uyabheka-ke Walker uthi-ke hlelekani-ke madoda elide-ke ibhola-ke Kyle Walker lasedlo-ke isikopho-ke emumva sakhe laphana-ke emsotho iyathathwa-ke manje-ke ibhola laseke likhonjwa-ke ibhola laseke likhishwa-ke manje-ke ithathwa-ke iqalwa-ke phansi-ke manje ukhona-ke laphana-ke strongman uthi-ke azidlale-ke la phakathi ufuna-ke laphana-ke Danny Klete laseke lidliwa-ke ibhola lika-Danny Klete iyathathwa-ke manje ibhola efuna-ke Professor laseke liphumela ngaphandle-ke ibhola kudaleka yona-ke laphana-ke throw-in izothathwa-ke ibhola-ke liphoswa-ke manje lizothathwa-ke ibhola-ke manje liphoswe-ke laphana-ke lona-ke iqembu lesimnandi siyashisa iyaphoswa-ke ibhola lidliwa-ke isikopho-ke lengasemuva ayikhona-ke bese belithatha-ke futhi ibhola-ke ithinyathele uyabheka ayikhona-ke madoda bayasebenza-ke lengasemuva iqembu-ke lamabrazozo lithi-ke alivike-ke la ingozi-ke ethanda ukwenzeka-ke wena hleza.
Well, I'm not sure what was really occurring in that situation, Mshengu, but we just faced a little bit of a technical glitch, but we are back live, and we are looking at, of course, Simnandi Siyashisa with their fine start. Look at our offensive they've been thus far. You can tell that they're isolating the midfield, of course, Obama Brazoso, not allowing them any room, space and time to then play those long balls so that they can stretch them. But I'm looking at how high the line as well of Simnandi Siyashisa in terms of the counter press, in terms of the high line pinning of the trajectory type of a manner, so that they can be able to then bypass and unlock that defensive third. It was a great move which nearly led to the first opener of the goal.
Seliphumela-ke ngaphandle-ke ibhola-ke kodwa-ke liyathatha-ke ngokukhulu-ke ukushesha uyabheka-ke la Blondi elide-ke ibhola-ke manje esandleni-ke sokhohlo uyalikhoba-ke ithinyathelo Stadium ukhona ke madoda laseke licenza ke impitshana ke laphana ke ibhola bekuyena ke uPablo uthi ke angikokothe ke nami ngizwe ke laphana ke ukuthi ukhona ni umgeba kodwa ke laphana ke laseke licenza ke impitshana ke ibhola uyeliphakamisa ke umshasha lasedloke isikopho ke emumva ukhona ke Gianni uthi ke woza sidlale Kyle Walker bese belithatha ke ibhola simnandi ke siyashiza bancenga ke manje ibhola khona ke laphana ke ama-Brazos balithatha ke ibhola ke benhlokoloza laseke dliwa ke ibhola ke lakhe ke laphana ke uprofessor liphumela ngaphandle ke kudaleka yona ke laphana ke itrowini ithatho ke ibhola ke manje ngokhulu ke la ukushesha lona ke laphana ke iqembu lo ke ama-Brazos lihlobe isikopho ke ibhola sakhe ke laphana ke ufana ke obesto ayikhona ke uyakhuza ke la unompempe uthi ke ayikhona ke madoda ayikhona ke insizwa ayikhona ke bafana ayitala banana madoda uyabheka ke laphana ke besto uthi ke woza ke sidlale ke professor base ke bemgqoka uyena ke laphana ke uKyle Walker uthi ke dlala ke strongman uyeza ke strongman uthi dlala ke wena skabi elithe ke ibhola lasedloka ke manje ke balithatha ke laphana ke kwesokudla ke isandla abafana ke bama-Brazos beza ke la begijima ke bedla ke amagalani kodwa ke laselamba lotwana ke ibhola seliphumela ngaphandle iqanda laphana ke simnandi siyashisa iqanda ke laphana ke ama-Brazos first semi-final sithi ke laphana ke 2025 2026 kwamahlobo ke games yithi ke laba ke sikhona sikhupha ke laphana ke iminyaka ke engamashumi ke amathathu from laphana ke kena ke u-1996 sikhona ke laphana ke kwamahlobo sigijima nje cishe ke la isizini laphana ke stadium kodwa ke imidlalo ke la noma ke ama-competition abe yi-29 into yenza ukuthi ke abe yi-29 ukuthi ke kwaba ke laphana ke no-2020 bekune COVID-19 lapho ke esingakwazanga ukuthi ke sibe ke nemidlalo kodwa ke ngibona ke laphana ke ithola ke icwecwe i-set piece laphana ke iqembu lawo ke ama-Brazos ngicabanga ukuthi ke isendaweni ke enhle ke kakhulu laphana ke ukhona ke la uCR7 Ronaldo emva kwebhola ukhona ke laphana ke uBesto bayabheka ke la bethi ke madoda asibhekeni ke la esiboneni ukuthi ke akukhona ke esingahle siyitholele ke khona la iset piece ke la asibheke ke la ukuthi bani uzokwazi ukuthi ke ayithathele ke la leli thuba khona ke la Cristiano Ronaldo khona ke la export emva kwebhola bayabheka ke manje ke bathi ke ayikhona ke madoda uyasondela ke laphana ke uyasondela ke Ronaldo ayikhona ke madoda laseke liqeza ke ibhola impitshana ke la seliphuma ke phezu kwamapali nothi laphana ke simnandi siyashisa nothi laphana ke ama-Brazos isombe ke esokuqala yona ke laphana ke semi-final yokuqala sikhona ke la kwamahlobo games liphole kahle ke nje la izulu kodwa ke wena Hlenzo akukho ke la umnyakazo ke otheni osabonisile ke ukuvela kona ke la amaqembu ke amabili asazi ke noma ikhona ni la ezogcina ke ivuma ugoba ke uphondo nje ubone ke la no Ronaldo uthi ke azame ke la kodwa angawathola amabhola.
Well, for me at this point in time, Shengu, the intentions of the coach of Simnandi Sashisa was to then start the ball from the back, rotate the ball very well, build from the back so that they can be able to then outsmart and outplay the defensive third and the midfield, of course, of ama-Brazos in the sense of maneuvering something of a different better. But at this current point, Simnandi Sashisa have been the one that have started right. As for ama-Brazos, they are looking to play on the transition to catch, of course, Simnandi Sashisa on the counter.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ke la ibhola ke Sentatoke Kalage Pantum, Lunagela Panagam, Kempugela Maprazos, Elia Pagani Soge Porum, Batigetana, La Panagan Tunda, Lase Lambalotonaga, Polagel Pumelanga Pante. Gusei Kandage Tangoti Zompiri, Aikogela Efumayo, Ukobage Upondo, Itatoge Polage Pagat Nenkontan Galo Kante, we are Pegage La Panage Kante, Basage Tatelage Porum, Yenage La Panage Export, Isalage Pantige Intota, Aitala Panana Matota, we are Kusage Uno Pempe, Eti Iconage Bafano, Aitungan Chaloge Maiso Soga, Utige Aikaloge Panti Porum, Mogo Speedy. Itatoge Polage Manchage, Ezo Kaloge Pantem, Eguyonage La Panage, Efrekeke, Esetuzege Jelam, in the center line, Iconage La Papagate, in the second, Yaconage La Panage center. Utige album Pege Porum, album Pege Polage La Uzizo, we are Pegage La Uzizo. Utige Iconage. Actually, Abantuge La Pagatige de Conta, Namuge Uma Tranks, we are Pegagela Uma Tranks, Elite Polagama, Iconage, Lasagel Pumelage, Penswe Party, Ipolala Kegela, Uma Tranks, Upanage SL Kipelage, Penswe Party, Egotege La Panage, Elizo Tatoge, Ipolagel Kalage Party, Uyenege La Umpanage, Umkeva, Utige was as Talige Chian, Ebafunage Galo Kante. Ulita genge kanda la panage galo kante elite ge iporo elasege lambaloto nege el pumela ngaphandle egutalega la panage itrowini uyasende lake la uchiani utike ngenani ke matota ingenzeke la ilong throw elizothatha ke ipoleke manje elithathwa ilonake la iqembu elola isimnandi siyashisa iyobheka ke la isimnandi siyashisa ipoleke la panake phakathi ke 18 yard area ekothe ke bahlebelose ke ipoleke weselkhipha ke la upanake umatrax uyabuya ke futhi la uJiani ubuya ke ngokwesibili ethi ke angisondele ke futhi ngizame ke la ukuthi ke sibone ukuthi sitholani ke la thina ke simnandi elithe ke ibhola ufuna ke delicate elose ke lithatha ke ibhola ke manje ufuna ke uJiani uyalibamba ke la uJiani uyaliprotecta ke manje ibhola uyasondela ke la eliphumela ngaphandle ke futhi throwing iyathatha ke manje ke 18 yard area elaseke liphumele ngaphandle ke kudaleka yona ke laphana ke khona keke iyathatha ke manje ke ibhola khona ke la uDenicate uthi ke uDenicate ayikhona ke madoda engenani ke la phakathi bese sikwazi ke ukuthi ke siyitholele ke la ithutshana ke lokwazi ukuthi sithole ke la leading goal uyabheka ke la umfana ke uDenicate uyabheka ke uDenicate uyalibheka bisi ibhola ke itinethere nangu ke futhi uDenicate uyalikoba ibhola ayikhona ke elaseke la balotana ke ibhola ukhona ke strongman uyaliphakamisa ke itinethere ubeyasebenza ke laphana ke amabrazos ebelikhipha ke ibhola eleseke thatho ke manje ke ibhola ebafuna ke uNtsunda uyalibamba ke uNtsunda ibhola uyaliteka ke uNtsunda ebase ke bemgqoka ugqokwa uyena ke laphana ke umshasha enothi laphana ke simnandi siyashisa enote la panege amabrazos ithatha ke ibhola ke yena ke umatrax uthi ke dlala ke CR7 ukhona ke uJiani esethatha ke ibhola elihloke iscope esika Kyle Walker uyabheka ke Kyle Walker uyalibamba ke ibhola uyalivala ke Kyle Walker uthi ke dlala ke Jiani uthi Jiani ke Kyle Walker ebase ke bethatha ke ibhola elithatha yena ke uNtsunda elosethatha ke 40 yena ke uJiani uyabheka ke manje iyathatha ke ibhola ke ukhona ke la umfana ke umsotho uthi ke woza ke sidlale wena ke smart boy iyathatha ke manje ibhola ukhona ke Kyle Walker uayikhona ke elaselamba lodwana ke ibhola eseliphumela ke ngaphandle elihamba ke lodwa ke ibhola eliphumela ngaphandle ke esekudaleka iyona ke laphana ke ithrowini uyabheka ke la uJiani uyabheka-ke la uJiyane uthi-ke ngizoliphosa-ke phambili-ke iphole enase-ke liphumele ngaphandle uyashelela Mshengu uyashelela Mshengu ayithala banana madoda idloke ibhola-ke isikopho-ke sakhe-ke laphana-ke ufana-ke uma-drugs uyabona-ke hleza ndoda madoda ngibona-ke umfana-ke uma-drugs ngibona-ke umfana-ke laphana-ke ubesto cishe-ke bahlale bekhona la khona-ke i-first 11 yalo la iqembu lama-Brazos okuyibona-ke la abadlali-ke aba-effective kakhulu-ke la phakathi nenkundla wena hleza.
Well, let us get a point from Shengu. We need a goal to separate these two sides. A lovely warm welcome to all of you, my compatriots, to one of the most electrifying arenas out here in Midlands. It's Squamacobo grounds, and it's the first semi-final, of course, up against another dilemma in the sense of a place in the final between these two sides. It's the Matobo Festive Games 30th edition, and we'd like to thank the sponsors. If you get a little bit of nauseous, it's a no dilemma. We'd like to thank MTN, Connect the People. We'd like to thank Tracker. We'd like to thank Hollywood Bets. We'd like to thank Kiwi, Step In and Step Up. We'd like to thank Score Energy Drink, Aquera. We'd like to thank Siso Chiga, Isinto. We'd like to thank, of course, the city of Joburg. We'd like to thank, as well as the Department of Sports, Arts, Culture and Recreation. If you get to look at out on this far side of the field, there's a couple of photographers. Jersey _ 9M, he's in the building. And guess who's in the building as well? The one and only Disky Cast, he's in the building. The one who shoe shines and pianos, the one who discovered Tumi Shabalala, PlayStation. If you remember, Lungalo Tondolo, an immaculate midfielder who's playing for Bele Orlando Pirates right now, who signed a first team contract with Orlando Pirates in all essence and in all view. But this is another stage of the competition. It's another world. It's electrifying. I tell you what, it's Mnandi Sashisa up against Amabrazozo. It's Kweba who's kept his place on goals for Simnandi Sashisa. Walker gets to, of course, kept his third start in a short space of time since he was brought on for Simnandi Sashisa. Shasha, we know he's been consistent in terms of course, the games that he's already played, and it says another different aspect with him pairing up with Chima. But that's why, if you look at, of course, Brazoso, Ronaldo, we know up front what he's capable of in the sense of maneuvering something of a different vector. It will come away with the one and only immaculate, sensational, as the referee just incites him to go back a bit here. It's going to be Simnandi Sashisa who will come away with this ball. Will be a throw-in out on the short side of the field. The balls have also been changed so that we can carry on with the game. In the heart of that midfield, the sensational Sunda. How do I look at the Pesto? He will play on as the referee, but that's a late challenge from N'Golo Kante. Oh, it's a sudden dilemma when you get to look at how things have unfolded. Mshengu, the first yellow card, of course, of the game.
nel giocare del Copasote, nel giocare del Somansieme, Retega Quando, sono termini lenti, Rega Quando con Massimo Festing Games, e insomma le vanno a Hollywood, Oscar Vala, Patena, Daga Gautena, GGT, Growing Gauten Tegena, Tendidenti, e non va la Hola, ne vanno a MTN, per la Liberazione Senesi, ora nel giocare, ora nel giocare del Copasote, c'è la Motovani, anche Sama Grinosi, e Sama Nintendo, e Sama Nikimba Samaz, Basamas,
Uyabona ke manje usengenile manje uphasha. Umlomo ngathethe manga wehleza siyabonga umsebenzi wenu bafethu. Musha umsebenzi owenza ama commentator. Sibonga konke nikwenzile. Abana ke manje uking phasha uphethe isibalo wehleza. Ngiyazi umeleni hleza. Uyabona weJomo ngathi khona uTofu ngibuza yona. Buza Jomo.
Kibasha bona kisharutisha wabalo hona na de Englishman fela botona ngebalala kibasha hakisi horremi kai go 2025 kwamatlobo first games Rebecca dikaithi dikwenzeng kibasha hey rayeza kwamatlobo first game na bekopeswet
Wechomo yakopesfete usengenile manje uphasha umlomo ngathethi manga khona balethile khona balandile khona bamile uyabona mina kuphasha ngiphethe isibalo sabantu weJomo
Wala unamba.
Kala ke tobo so wala kibasha ele noto ana skabasa ele noto ma bakhala bebedi kibasha Rebakai this year 2026 khona le batho ba le kae go mahlobo ala ke lebella sports and recreation shobeke sports African World City basha Rebakai go mahlobo
uyabona weKim Chomana abantu abakhona manje amahlobo gate 1 ivaliwe gate 3 ivaliwe gate C yesebenzayo wemjomana abantu abakhona manje amahlobo isibalo nginaso manje wehleza ngiyahamba hey ngihamba hleza abantu abakhona manje amahlobo abamele ifinali isibala ngisiphethe 6,815
Ero sete ya le kibasha fana ke sabo fo ngibona tsala mane banenge ene yobona la ka semnande ebe ke bala bana mothozo ene ka bona kwa mahlobo o se bale bala na ke tsomo tsene are bala ba go sa go la ba thoma go zo morao a ba sa bo bona ka beketo ba ya mela ba go le go khaba ka molagare a ba sa go le a ba koka sa go le go a ba sa na ka taboga ka teka ka kwa selo natala ka kwa selo natala che a KwaZulu Natala che la della macchina na presidente Sabasa, e regolava quella abattere zala, agale bella con le monarrapa le zimovasi, con le monarrapa le zimovasi, ragazzi con Zuma, con Gandla, ufana questi villaggi, c'era questa town, con Casiaga, omlungo mnyama, hleza mathebula, ena ke bambile thole basabasa.
Mshengu, a little bit of another perspective in the sides of how things have really unfolded here. But we'll have to dissect it and try and maneuver something of a different aspect here.
umdlalo ke la Jomo okuyinto la esizele ke wena amathebula cishe ke umdlalo la into esizele ke esuphethe ke la kuseyena-ke unothi-ke ndoda yamadoda njengoba ubona-ke sigijima-ke bukhoma la kodwa-ke ngibona-ke la sekuphuma-ke nekhadi-ke eliphuzi liphumela-ke la insizwa-ke madoda ungalo-ke kanti cishe-ke la sekuyigaba-ke ezintathu abantu-ke la belokhu-ke belala-ke phansi angazi-ke noma-ke mhlawumbe kukhona nila okwenza-ke ukuthi abadlali-ke bathi-ke ukufasa-ke la noma-ke baqinise-ke isicathulo wena Hleza.
Yeah, most definitely they will want to do that to Mshengu. They will want to maneuver something in another perspective, mainly because of the stage of the tournament where it is right now. And currently, I always allude about one aspect. I always allude about who wants it or who has that work ethic and that desire. I'm not saying about the attitude. It's a water break here, an opportunity for the coaches to give a couple of instructions so that they can be able to then rectify and implement the tactics which can be able to outsmart and outplay both these two sides.
Ubafunekela iqembu lamaBrazos ilona-ke iqembu la elikwaziyo ukuthi liwugcineke kahle la umdlalo liwuphathe-ke la yize-ke la kodwa engakavumi-ke lapha umkhwebo ukuthi-ke adedeleke la isefo-ke njengoba-ke kusewuyena-ke unothi kodwa-ke insizwa-ke ibuyile-ke la kuyona-ke i-water break khona Hleza.
Well, let us get a point. It's what I alluded. Mshengu, we need a goal to separate these two sides in an unorthodox fashion. It's one much about best of games. The 30th edition out here in Netherlands, which is an arena that has produced a lot of sensational players at everyone. If you remember, Brian Chapan, Macarena, the immaculate Benedict Bilagazi. How can we forget Rinele Lichulunyane, an exceptional midfielder who went on to apply his trade abroad, out in Denmark, and came back in Mamelodi Sundowns colours. If you remember the likes of Sipo Nunes when they were still playing alongside Alex Barbera, when Bilagazi came back, he found the likes of Godfrey Sabula in the colours of course, the one and only sensational, immaculate Sundowns. It will come away with the one and only immaculate, sensational shorty, my shorty, my shorty, my shorty. Out on that right and blank side with the one and only shorty. Will there be a throwing out on that right and blank side? Yes, says the referee. It will be a long throw. And guess who's stepping up? The one and only Chima, who most certainly possesses the power to then throw the ball in the right manner in the yards that have been already maneuvered. Something of a different vector. Taken shorter with the overlapping run. What is the referee saying? It is going to be a goal kick, which is awarded to Amabrasoso, who at this point in time, having started by Mshengu, they haven't showed their tenacity and the audacity.
Ngicabanga ukuthi-ke la wena Hleza-ke iqembu-ke elilodwa-ke la elingakwazi ukuthi-ke liyitholele-ke igoli ikhona-ke la okungasinikeza-ke cishe-ke la umdlalo-ke ongconywana kungenza-ke ukuthi umdlalo ukwazi-ke ukuvuleka ngoba-ke cishe la amaqembu abambene-ke la njengoba ubona-ke edlala ngokufana baye belithole-ke la iqembu lesimnandi siyashisa liphuthume-ke la njengoba ubona-ke befika-ke laphana-ke 18 yard area uyena-ke ushoti uyaligqoba-ke ibhola ufuna-ke udeni khethe kodwa-ke seliphumela ngaphandle nabo-ke la abamaBrazos beza-ke la beshesha-ke la bephuthuma kodwa-ke mase befika ku-final 30 bese-ke libalahlekela kalula-ke la ibhola.
Well, it will raise major concerns from the coaches in terms of the dressing room instructions, because they've implemented a tactic, they've implemented a formation, which both these two sides are normally not playing similar football. But in this case, you can tell they are playing similar football. We'll come away with the one and only Pesto coming to collect the ball with the one and only Lesotho International. Lesotho, out on the side and blank side, the experienced campaigner, baby, my baby, the exceptional baby, looking for wasn't able to find him. We'll find him Sunda out on the left and blank side, wasn't able to keep the ball alive. We'll come away with the one and only Kante, away by the last line of the bench. We'll come away with the one and only Lesotho International. Mshoto, best of my best, Matrax, away by Croc, Walker, in the out of the middle, the one and only Matrax, and the sensational, immaculate Ronaldo was trying to get onto the end of the ball. Will come away with the former star on Ikanas, ABC Mutsipa midfielder, and goalkeeper, Mkwaba. He will let that ball, of course, slide here. Will he be able to keep it alive? I thought that he wasn't able to, and he has here, and an opportunity! Go! Oh, that's a thunderbolt! Oh, that is a thunderbolt, I'll tell you one. Oh, that's a screamer! That is a screamer! Oh, 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 oh. Beautiful football out on this right and blank side. Look at what Shorty does. He keeps the move alive and he makes sure that he can be able to connect the dots. But look who's in the right type of possession. Cheese deep from the midfield, and he does a sensational job. Mshengu in the sense of getting the ball into the back of the net. Oh, he wasn't going to keep that one out, wasn't Gwanish. When you know the know, you will know how to know, because the know will let you know. Now that you know the know has made you know that there is pressure, Mshengo! Who come away with the one and only Pesto, my Pesto, out on that right hand blank side. The immaculate Kamich, my Kamich, Tsunda, and a ball away from the last line of the bench. Oh, Mshengu, the game has opened up now. The game has opened up. Game on now.
Ingqeda-ke ukuveza-ke lokhu ke ndoda amadoda ukuthi-ke la uma singathola-ke igoli elilodwa cishe-ke la umdlalo-ke ungathi ukuvuleka-ke impijana. Uma ubheka-ke la ngibona-ke ushoti meni akakwazi-ke la ukuthi amabhola-ke awathole eyedwa, akwazi-ke ukuthi akonfront-ke la noma abhekane ne-defense yayo-ke laphana-ke ama-Brazos, kodwa-ke uyawagijimisa-ke amabhola, kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi-ke kuyamsebenzela-ke lokho ngoba uyawufaka-ke la umfutho ecindezela-ke la i-defense njengoba ibhola-ke selibuya-ke la elibuya-kena-ke u-Cheese Boy usevele-ke udedela-ke la madoda into-ke enye-ke madoda sebethola-ke igoli elihle-ke laphana-ke iqembu-ke lesimnandi-ke siyashisa, iqembu-ke eliza-ke kahle kakhulu la bengike ngakhuluma-ke la wehleza ngathi-ke iqembu lesimnandi siyashisa, iqembu-ke eliyingozi, iqembu-ke elingene ngembobo yenalithi kula 16. Lokhu ngikuveza-ke lokhu ngaze-ke ngakukhumbuza-ke la nge-Cote d'Ivoire, iqembu-ke laphana-ke kula season emadlala-ke i-AFCON elangena-ke laphana as ubest number 3, lingena-ke ngama-draw ayi-3. Kunzima-ke lapha lahamba-ke laze lawuthatha i-AFCON. Ngibheka-ke neqembu lesimnandi siyashisa lilokhu liza-ke kancane emva kokungena-ke ngembobo yenalithi selambe laze lagamanxa-ke manje lifika la kwisigamu-ke somdlalo malingakwazi-ke ukuthi liwine lo mdlalo lingayithola-ke selikuyi-final wena Hleza.
Well, the unfortunate part is that this time around in the African Cup of Nations, Cote d'Ivoire are knocked out. And guess who's going to be playing the semi-finals? Nigeria will be up against Morocco. Senegal will be up against the Egyptian Giants. Egypt, oh, what a spectacle, I tell you for one, in an orthodox, sensational fashion in the AFCON. And it doesn't get any better than this, because right now, Simnandi are looking to protect the lead that they do have as Matrax commits a foul on the defensive midfielder. And N'Golo Kante, he comes into this encounter with a lot of form, a lot of confidence. If you remember, he scored 2 back-to-back in his respective league. Domestic football from him, he's already scored 9 goals as a defensive midfielder. He's playing in the ABC Motsepe Foundation Championship. He's N'Golo Kante. Welcome away with the one and only Walker My Walker, the sensational Walker, the fullback, the immaculate Walker. Beautiful ball hoisted up in the air, away by Skupu, and a chance for Tankate. Will he be able to get that ball in the right manner? Away by the last line of the bench. It will be, of course, another dilemma because Amabraso Mshengo have conceded merely before the half-time break, and that doesn't get any worse than this, because it's going to be quite interesting to see how can they be able to respond in the second half. The game really started bad. If we get to action in Alibite